The subtitles or caption that is showing on the video you're trying to watch on Twitter might be bothering you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off caption on Twitter video. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Twitter app right over here. And for example, I'm just going to open up a certain video tweet, for example, like this one. So you should be able to see this icon that says CC right here. So I currently have it turned on. That's why these subtitles are showing up. Now, if you want to turn that off, you just simply have to click on this little CC icon. So tap on that. And as you can see, the subtitles are now gone. So you can just do that on other videos as well. So for example, right here, you can just click on the CC icon, because if that is shaded up like that, the caption will be shown like this one. So if you want to turn that off, just click on the CC icon once again. So if that is not working for you, just visit your app store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and just search for Twitter and check if your Twitter app is up to date. So for this one right here, let's just wait for it to load, and let's just click on the Twitter app page. As you can see, it shows an update button. So if it shows on your side as well, just tap on the update button so that you will be updating the app with the latest bug fixes and performance improvements, especially the feature being able to turn off the caption on a Twitter video. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.